A 337-2 handrail disassembly tutorial. Remove one set screw. Unzip our shoulder holster and remove one set screw. Remove the 4 screws and remove the rear cover. Cut the cable tie and separate the plug red. Remove the handrail trim strip. Separating handrail air pipe. Remove 6 fixing screws. Remove one set screw from shoulder. Remove the 2 screws at the front end of the armrest and remove the armrest. Handrail mounted. Install the buckle in the specified position. Install 6 setting screws. Install one set screw. Install the 2 screws at the front end of the handrail. Install the handrail decoration bar and pass the plug-in through the reserved holes. Install the buckle in the specified position. Install 2 fixing screws for the decorative bar of the handrail and zip up the shoulder holster. Connect the armrest harness plug-in and air pipe. Install the rear cover with 4 fixing screws.